Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the app gallery, and in the search pool let's enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this first application, that's why to install, and wait a couple of seconds. After that we should tap here to open the app. Then click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.